Assalamu alaikum students, this is MJ from this side. Welcome to my YouTube channel KIIT Srinagar. So today we are going to make a project, a game, rock paper scissor game using Python. So let's get started. Before that, if you are new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon. So first of all, I will open the IDLE or any kind of ID which you want, and you want to do your programming of Python in it. Depends upon you what you want to use. Here I can simply use the IDLE. So I will press Ctrl N so that a new window will open where I can do the coding of it. So firstly, about this, what we have to do is we have to register the two wins. One will be the computer win and the another one will be the player win. So let's get started. Computer win is equal to 0, and then player win is equal to 0. Then we have to create a function. In Python we usually create a function using a keyword def. Then the name of a function, like I would say choose option, and then we will do the coding of it. So the first step is that we have to take the options from the user. The first thing, like he want to choose rock, paper, or scissors, so we will here we will make a variable user underscore choice is equal to input choose rock, paper, or scissors. Any of the three options as we have to choose. So the first step would be we will be using the if condition. If user choice is equivalent to user choice in, we'll use in keyword and we will make a list here. In this list is either rock, comma, small rock, comma, R, or capital R. So he will be choosing among these things. Usually when you have to play this game, either he will write rock or R, or small rock or capital rock. It depends upon us what he's going depend upon the user what he is going to choose. So if we will add another option to it, like capital rock, we can add it to it. So going ahead, we will be saying that if user choose any of these options here, what you're gonna do, make the user choice equivalent to underscore R, equivalent to R. So the user choice, whenever he will choose the options among this, the rock, capital R, small r, rock, capital rock, small rock, the user choice will be R always. The variable will contain the R value always. So if this option is done, then let's go. We have to do the same thing with the paper and with the scissor. We'll go with else if elif user choice in. Again we will use a list here, and then this time let's go for the paper, comma, capital, comma, P, capital P, or yeah, it's fine, or even this paper. So let's tell him that change the user choice to equal into P this time. Change it to P. If user enters any of these options from this list, make the user variable equal into P, small p. I will tell you later why we did it and why it's used for. So going for the Caesar, elif, same user choice in and list Caesar, comma s, comma p, comma okay. None. User choice equal into s, small s. So for this it's done. So let's come back to the else statement. Else if the option above, the user didn't type any option which is above, like he didn't choose rock, he didn't choose paper scissor, or he wrote some random word whatsoever he like he wrote dust, like he wrote wood or something. So we'll tell him like print him something, print him I did not understand, try again. I didn't understand, try again. So here we go. Or you can type anything, like choose either rock, paper, or scissor, whatever you want to do. So then if the user would type any random thing over there, like he didn't choose anything above, like paper, scissor, or rock, we'll tell him that you haven't typed what we expected, or uh, I didn't understand, so try again. So what we should do later this, we will again go to choose option, choose option function. So what will it do? Like we are here in else, so like we will tell him print I did not understand, try again, or you have not written rock, paper, or scissor, please type rock, paper, or scissor. So he will be obviously going back and trying it again. So this time this option, this function, this function from here to here will work again. When I will run this program, you will be easily able to understand what it means. So keeping all these things aside, let's return him user option, user choice. So user choice, I returned to him. So after this, up to this function, what we did just was take the choice from the user, either choose rock, paper, or scissor. So if he didn't choose any of the option of these three, what we told him that I didn't understand, please try again. And when he will try again, we will again go to this function, it will again go to this function automatically. So now we have to create another function which would be like computer option, what the options of the computer would be. So let's go for it. Def computer option, and let's start. So first of all, what the major thing is about this, the computer has to choose the option randomly, either he has to choose rock, paper, or scissor, three of the options. So for this we have to import the module. We will import the module here, random. So random module is necessary to be imported, otherwise this function won't work. So going ahead, I will tell him computer underscore choice equal into random dot randint, random dot randint, and take the option from 1 to 3, 1 to 3 options. it will take the options from 1 to 3. Either one option will be paper, another second option would be rock, and the third option would be scissor. If I will write here 4, it would take the four options. Since we have just 3 options like rock, paper and scissor, no other option, so it would be from 1 to 3. If we had 4 options like rock, paper, scissor, wood or something like that, then we would have to take here 4. Since we have 3, we will take it from 1 to 3. It would be like 1, the first one would be rock, the second one would be scissor, and the third one would be paper. So going ahead, if computer choice equivalent to 1, if it's 1, because it will be taking 3 options from random numbers between 1 to 3, just 3 random numbers, 1, 2 or 3 random numbers would be there. So if the random number you have generated is 1, tell that the computer choice is equal to R, means take the option equivalent to R. Same would be the case with other things like elif choice equivalent to 2, go with it. Computer choice equivalent to paper, P. Same, I will copy here and paste it. 3 here, we will be going with 3 rock, paper and scissor. So let's save it later. So rock, paper, scissor, 3 things have happened. So what if what if the option among these the computer chose these options and also the input that the user has given is same, or we would have the conditions like if a user has taken the paper and computer has chosen scissors, so obviously the computer will win. So what we are going to do is here, first, either we here we have 2 options, either we can use elif or we can use else. Will use else, computer option is equal to 3, take the computer option is equal to s. Computer option, the variable would be s. So what we will be doing here is same, simple as anything, no rocket science here. Returning the computer choice. So going ahead, the computer choice which I chose, now we'll be using the conditions like while loop or for loop, whatsoever you want, like while. I'll be using the while loop, while true, then you have to do a work. What? Print empty string. You don't have to print anything, just print an empty string. Then user choice is equal to choose option. Equivalent to choose option. So the another thing what we will do is computer, C is capital, yeah, C is capital, computer choice. Here the user choice U is capital. Yeah, I was thinking about it. Choose option, computer option, computer choice is equal to computer underscore option. This function would be called, and then print empty. So while the loop we are using here is while loop, while it's true you have to print an empty string, then you have to go to the user choice is equal to user choose option, like this, the user choice, whatsoever the user has kept in his choice, then it will check using the function choose option. Then the computer choice, what the computer has chosen, it will be declared because of this function computer option, because this function and this function, in this function what happens is the option is taken from the user, the option the user gives the option, and in this the computer randomly generates the option. Either it's rock, paper, or scissor. So same is the case we are doing here. Like user choice, in this variable you will be keeping the choose option, which will be from here the user has taken the option as, and from this computer option would be the same as the function which the computer has chosen as its option. Please save it in this variable. In this variable would be said what the user has chosen, and in this variable would be said what the computer has chosen. So then we will be printing the empty statement, and then we will go with the if user choice equal into r. If the user choice is equal to r, as here I have done user choice equal to r, means that here if the user has chosen r, that means if the user has chosen the rock, then we will match it with the computer. If the computer has also chosen the rock, they both have tie. So what we will doing here, if the user is equal to, or if the user has chosen the rock, then what will we do? What will be it doing? Then if computer option, if computer choice, computer choice, if computer choice equal into or also, if computer choice is also equal into or, then what you have to do is print you chose rock, computer also choose rock, full stop, or anything else, you tie. So you tie. So this will be the condition it will print. Obviously if they both have chosen the rock, it will tie. And then we will go with another condition, that would be elif computer source. I will copy it, paste it here. elif computer choice is equal to paper, then you choose rock, computer choose paper. So if the computer has chosen the paper and you have chosen the rock, obviously you will lose. You lose. Then again elif condition, control V, paste it again. Then if the computer option is scissors, you choose rock, computer choose scissor, you win. So before I go any further, let me tell you one thing. Like if the computer won and you lose, the point would be added to the computer, shouldn't it? The point should be added to the computer. Like this time the computer win is 0, the computer win should be 1. If you win, then it should be you won, player win is equal to 1. If you win 2 games, it should be player win is equal to 2. So it should show us that how many wins you have won or how much computer has won. So for this, what we are going to do is we will say that if you lose, obviously the computer would have won, so we'll tell it that computer win plus equal into 1. So add 1 to the computer win. If the user loses, add 1 to the computer win. And if the user won, add player win plus equal to 1. Add 1 to the player. So it would end. Then again what will happen, like if the user had chosen rock, it would be changed. Like I would copy it all, I will copy paste, paste. So if it's if I'm gonna elif, if the user now here has chosen paper and computer choose rock, if the user has chosen the paper and the computer has chosen the rock, obviously you will win. You choose paper, computer choose rock, you win. If the computer chooses paper, you tie. Paper, paper, computer choose scissor, and what happens here is you lose. You lost the game. So the condition will be changed. Computer win will be replaced with player win. Player win. Sorry, the player will be upstairs, not here. Player win. The player won. You win again. The player who will add it. And if you lose, you tie. Nothing. You don't need to add either to the computer, either to yourself. You don't literally need to add anything. If you lose, then the computer will be added. And then if rock paper, and then here you choose scissors, and you choose rock, you choose scissor. Yeah, computer choose rock, you lose. Computer win, computer win plus equivalent to 1. If computer choice is equal to P and you scissor, computer also choose paper, you win. Obviously you will win, so here it would be player win. Player win. And if the computer choice is scissors and your is also scissor, computer also chooses it, you tie. The condition here is like the same. So we have created everything whatsoever was necessary. So after this, what we are going to do is that we will be saying to it like how many wins we will be printing out, at how many wins from both the sides. So we'll go with it. Print first an empty string, then print player win plus, we will concatenate it, string player win. Then again copy the same thing, but here this time it will be computer win. Print an empty string again. So what actually I'm here doing, actually str, it means like I'm doing a typecasting, I can say. Like the player when it is here an integer like 1 2 3, it will be the number, it will show you 1, you won 1 time, 2 time, 3 time, like same with it would be the with the computer, 1 time, 2 time, 3 time, how many time the computer won, it will be the same thing. So after this like string, it will help it to convert this integer to the string. So this is what I did it. So there's no anything that like I did anything big here. This is nothing, you know, a rocket science that I have used here. It's easy to understand. The programmers who are already programmers will be easily able to understand it. So after this, what we have to do, we have to tell this person like if you really want to play again or not. Obviously if he wants to play again, let's tell him. So what we'll do is user underscore choice choice is equal to input. Here we will tell him, do you want to play again or not? Do you want to play again? Why? Or y/n. Obviously, yes or no. Why? If, again, if condition, if user choice, copy it again, user choice in capital Y, again a list, small y, yes, 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 pass it, elif user choice in, so no, the options will be here, no, 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 and capital N, break. So this is what we did it. So this is the end part of everything whatsoever you want to do till now, and then the last condition what would be else break again, let's save it anywhere and name the file as or ps, save, and then run it. Run module, okay, index, ooh. Rock paper scissor, or you choose rock, computer choose paper, you lose. Do you want to play again? Why? Rock, you choose rock, computer choose paper, you lose again, and let's go for no. Okay, this is the end. This is how we make a game, a simple game, rock paper scissors, with just few code, and that's it. Thank you. We'll be coming with some new fantastic projects in the future, inshallah. So I will try my best to teach you all with a complete passion and make you learn beautifully and very nicely. So help me grow my channel and do subscribe and press the bell icon. Till then, thank you. Assalamu alaikum.